Thanks so much for checking out Technic Training Center. My name is John Slagle, Program Director here at Technic. Technic Training Center is a nonprofit organization here in Northwest Washington. It's all about helping local high school students get hands-on training in woodworking, manufacturing, and hopefully business principles that can help them build a great resume of skills and experiences and help them in their future careers. Technic Training Center is located on the campus of Lynden Door in Lynden, Washington.
I am Ron Visser. I am the Technic Training Manager for Technic Training Center. Woodworking, I always had a passion to create and make things, so I just fell in love with woodworking. We're here at Technic Training Center. We teach kids how to use machinery and focusing on wood projects, cabinets and stools and different projects. We want them to learn confidence on the tools along with safety practices and be competent so they can go out in the work field and make money for their boss or for themselves if they're self-employed.
Part of our goal also is to help our local employers and business community have a great pool of people to hire and attract into their workforce. Technic Training Center started back in 2016 with our very first group of 12 students. And now we're often around 100 to 115 students each school semester. At Technic, we're thankful to serve students from public schools, private schools, and homeschool groups who are able to come during the school day and get hands-on training as a part of their high school graduation requirements. While students are here, they're able to earn a variety of credits depending on what they can work with at their schools. Our students will first work on workplace and shop safety, and knowing how to conduct themselves around the tools and machines. Not being afraid of the machine, but knowing how to use it with confidence and get the quality result that they're looking for. Our students also spend a lot of time working with measurement as a really critical skill, using a tape measure, working in both inches and the metric system. We have a great company near us called FastCap out in Ferndale, Washington, and they donate a measuring tape to all of our students when they pass their measuring assessment. Another key skill that kind of builds off measurement, our students work on blueprints and plans, being able to design the products that they want to build.
Technic Training Center, we like to teach people to by hand everything first before they get on all the big equipment, and that includes drafting.
Then they'll move on to using computer-controlled CAD drafting tools, being able to see what's that product going to look like as a 3D model, and being able to create great cut lists of all the parts that they need to produce along the way. One of the great things we do about our work is that so much of it's project-based, learning by doing, and so we love to get our students hands-on with the tools and machines. Students will start off building a work stool, and we like to say, hey, make your mistakes on that. Our students will use maybe around 15 different tools and machines and processes to produce that product and get some great experience along the way. Then they're able to build a face frame cabinet, a really beautiful piece of furniture, kind of like a nightstand or end table.
Yeah, the face frame cabinet's a great project because it's working with solid wood, veneer, plywood. You're going to use about 40 different tools. There's so many things they're using on this cabinet. From there, they're going to work with the hardware. So we're going to work with drawer glides, hinges, cabinet pulls, work with that and getting it all together and looking right.
Finally, as part of their core training, students will work on a frameless cabinet of some kind of more contemporary cabinetry that students are able to use a little more automated process, perhaps cutting parts out at the panel saw, edge banding them at the edge bander machine, and using one of the CNC machines to drill the assembly holes. As students complete their core projects, we're excited to get them involved in community projects. We'll often work with schools, other nonprofit organizations.
Yeah, community projects are great because they learn teamwork. They have a customer they have to work for. They work for the customer quality standards, what is expected of them. They have to really make sure that the customer is going to want to pay for what they're producing.
So our students get some great customer service interactions. We've built things such as bookcases for the local schools, conference tables for other community businesses, lockers for local fast pitch and football teams. And so it's been really fun to see the creative work and great reputation that the quality of work that our students are able to do. We're grateful to the local employers and industry partners who have worked together with us to inform our program and have also hired Technic graduates into their workforce. As a nonprofit organization, we're thankful to all the community partners who've come alongside Technic Training Center and helped support this training effort. Lynden Door is a big sponsor for our organization. There's a great amount that's been contributed by local businesses, local individuals. We've had machinery companies help place and lease machines here at no cost to the program, so that way we can train to the real-world resources that businesses are using to be competitive. Local industry suppliers have helped provide donated materials and resources that our students can build their products out of. We've also been grateful to local individuals who have made contributions to help us get maybe some small tools that the program needs. We'd love to invite you to consider partnering with Technic, whether it's being a volunteer here at our program, contributing some resources or materials that our students could use, or donating financially to the program as well. All the gifts we receive are able to go directly to the student activities and training that they do and complete.
We hope you send your young students here so we can train them and learn maybe a skill they didn't know they had, and maybe a gift they had no idea, and get them ready for the workforce or the work world.
We invite you to work together with us to impact the lives of students who come to Technic Training Center. Thanks so much. Take care.